Structure of the NATO. All agencies and organizations of the NATO are integrated into either the civilian administrative or the military executive roles. For the most part, they perform roles and functions that directly or indirectly support the security role of the alliances as a whole. Civilian structure includes the North Atlantic Council is the body which has effectively governance authority and the power of the decision in NATO, consisting of member states, permanent representatives at higher levels. The NAC convenes at the least once a week and task major decisions regarding NATO's policies. The meeting of the North Atlantic Council are chaired by the Secretary General, and when the decision have to be made, action is agreed upon on the basis of the unanimity and the common accord. There is no voting or decision by the majority of the each nation represented at the council table or on any of its subordinating committees, retaining complete sovereignty and responsibility for its own decision. NATO headquarters located on a Bull Road, Leopold 3 Lan B110 Brussels, which is in the Heron part of the city of the Brussels municipality. The staff at the headquarters is composed of the national delegation of member countries and includes the civilian and military licensed officials and officers or diplomat missions and diplomats of the partner countries, as well as international staff and international military staff filled from the serving members of the armed forces of the member states. Non-governmental citizens groups have also grown up in the support of NATO broadly under the banner of the Atlantic Council, Atlantic Treaty Association movements. The organization and the agencies of NATO includes the NATO Parliamentary Assembly is a body that sets broadly strategic goals for NATO, which meets at two sessions per year. NATO PA interacts directly with the preliminary structure of the national governments of the member states, which appointed permanent member or ambassador to the NATO. The NATO Parliamentary Assembly is made up of the legislators from the members countries of the North Atlantic alliances as well as 13 association members. It is, however, officially a different structure from the NATO and has as an aim to join together disputes of NATO countries in order to discuss security policies on the NATO Council.